Here's a question most people never ask out loud. What if the food you eat every single day could shape how your body feels as it goes through hormonal changes? The type of changes every woman's body will experience as it ages. For decades, that change has been described like a slow decline, losing energy, losing sleep, losing patience, even losing yourself. But what if it isn't just about loss? What if it's about leverage? Because the truth is, what you eat right now can literally shape your hormones. It can ease symptoms. It can even protect your brain and your bones long after those changes begin. And no, this isn't about cutting everything out or surviving on salads. It's about learning what your body needs now and how vegetarian foods can help you get there. Let's start with a word that tends to scare people off: phytoestrogens. They're natural compounds found in plants that act a little bit like estrogen in the body. Now, don't tune out. This isn't fake estrogen. Think of it more like a gentle echo of the real thing. When estrogen levels start to drop, that echo can actually help bring things back into balance. Phytoestrogens bind to your estrogen receptors, but they do it softly. They don't flood your system with hormone activity. They study it. It's kind of like using a dimmer switch instead of flicking the lights on and off. Take flax seeds, for example. They're packed with compounds called lignans, tiny plant molecules that mimic estrogen in a really balanced way. Adding just a spoonful of ground flaxseed to your breakfast every morning isn't hormone therapy, but over time, it can help smooth out symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. It's not a miracle. It's just biology, gentle, steady, and made for everyday use. Most people think fiber is just about keeping things moving in the bathroom. But in reality, fiber is your body's hormonal housekeeper. Here's why. Estrogen is processed in your liver, then sent to your gut to be cleared out. If you're low on fiber, some of that used estrogen can slip back into your bloodstream, basically, the hormonal version of taking the trash out and then bringing it right back inside. When you eat fiber-rich foods like oats, lentils, and whole fruits, fiber traps that extra estrogen and carries it out of the body. Even small swaps help. Switching white rice for barley or choosing rye bread instead of refined flour gives your body what it needs to naturally clear excess estrogen. Over time, that means fewer hormone swings, steadier moods, and a smoother, more balanced transition. When estrogen levels drop, bone loss speeds up. That's why the risk of osteoporosis rises so quickly during this stage of life. Most people hear that and immediately think more dairy. But the truth is, your bones need more than milk. Calcium is just one piece of the puzzle. Your body also needs vitamin K and magnesium to move that calcium into your bones, where it actually belongs. And plants deliver those nutrients in abundance. Dark leafy greens like kale and bok choy, fortified plant milks, sesame seeds, and almonds all provide calcium plus those helper nutrients that make it work. So when you toss sesame seeds into a veggie stir fry or a snack on a handful of almonds, you're not just eating, you're helping your bones stay dense and strong. And when you pair that with regular movement, walking, yoga, or light resistance training, your bones get the signal to keep building. That's how you protect your skeleton, without depending entirely on dairy. Now let's talk about something every woman feels, but rarely connects to food: stress. As hormones shift, your nervous system can become more sensitive. Suddenly, things that used to roll off your back, a rough day, poor sleep, even small frustrations, feel heavier. Magnesium is one of the key minerals that helps calm that internal storm. It relaxes your muscles, steadies your heartbeat, and helps your body release melatonin so your sleep hormones work the way they should. When you're low on magnesium, it's harder to wind down at night, and that leads to more cortisol the next day. Before long, you're stuck in a stress loop. The good news? It's fixable. Adding magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, or oats to your routine can make a real difference. Picture this. You end your day with a warm mug of oat milk, sprinkled with cinnamon. It's not just comfort, it's chemistry. You're signaling your body to relax, reset, and sleep more deeply. Over time, your stress hormones level out, and your mood follows. Now let's talk about something every woman feels, but rarely connects to food: stress. As hormones shift, your nervous system can become more sensitive. Suddenly, things that used to roll off your back, a rough day, poor sleep, even small frustrations feel heavier. Magnesium is one of the key minerals that helps calm that internal storm. It relaxes your muscles, steadies your heartbeat, and helps your body release melatonin so your sleep hormones work the way they should. When you're low on magnesium, it's harder to wind down at night, and that leads to more cortisol the next day. Before long, you're stuck in a stress loop. The good news? It's fixable. Adding magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, or oats to your routine can make a real difference. Picture this. You end your day with a warm mug of oat milk, sprinkled with cinnamon. It's not just comfort, it's chemistry. You're signaling your body to relax, reset, and sleep more deeply. Over time, your stress hormones level out, and your mood follows. One of the most frustrating parts of this stage of life is unpredictable energy. One moment you feel fine, the next you crash. And it's not about willpower, it's chemistry. Estrogen plays a big role in how your cells respond to insulin, the hormone that helps control blood sugar. When that balance shifts, your energy levels start to swing up and down. Plant-based diets rich in complex carbohydrates and healthy fats can help smooth those spikes. Think quinoa instead of white rice, or a bowl of lentil soup instead of a refined carb lunch. That steady energy flow doesn't just keep you going. It can also reduce hot flashes, calm cravings, and keep your mind sharper through the day. And here's the kicker. Those same foods help lower inflammation, the quiet force behind joint pain, brain fog, and mood swings. Walnuts, chia seeds, and flax oil are rich in omega-3s that help your body stay balanced naturally. So when you build a salad with leafy greens and a handful of walnuts, you're not just eating light, you're creating chemistry that protects your joints, supports your mood, and keeps your brain clear and alert. When you step back, it's pretty amazing how connected everything really is. The foods you choose don't just fill your stomach, they send instructions to your hormones. Fiber helps your body clear out what it no longer needs. Phytoestrogens softly echo what's missing. Magnesium and omega-3s calm stress and lower inflammation. And antioxidants protect your skin and bones from the inside out. This isn't about perfection or deprivation. It's about working with your biology, not against it. Every plant-based meal is a small chance to bring your body back into alignment. So the next time you sit down to eat, don't just think about calories or carbs. Think about communication, because every bite is your body's language for balance. And this stage of life, it doesn't have to feel like a breakdown. With the right foods, it can be a rebuild. If this video helped you, there's so much more waiting for you on Plants Feed the Soul. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the very next video.